Fire Escape Academy inspector training video. Here we are in Rutgers University and we're doing some inspections. Here's a nice fire escape on the back. I think that's called a Jav down there. And let's take a look. 5, 10, 15 years ago there was a scrape and paint violation given to this building, and they did that. They scraped it, they painted it. Let's take a look to see if they've done anything else to it which is related, which is the structural. Look at all the rust up against the back of the building. That's an indication that there's some happening up against the back, and for that amount of rust, that means that some connection is bad. Look at the original connections to the building. It's all original square head bolts. Look at the welds. It's starting to show some penetration of water. If you look up, original square head bolts on this side, all original square head bolts. I'm looking for evidence of any rebolting anywhere in the joints and the corners and the rails, all original. So this is a 50 to 75-year-old building, shiny black fire escape, but yet not one evidence of anything new, no new bolt of any kind. I'm looking hard for a new bolt somewhere, maybe on the ladder, some new bolts, nothing. Look at the rust on the top of that ladder. So as I'm going up, if that ladder lets go on the left side, it's going to throw me off this fire escape. All the bolts coming down this ladder to the ground with obstructions is original square head bolts. Look at coming out of the windows. You have to step out onto that roof. There should be a catwalk or a platform up there. You just can't. If you pass out up there, you're going to fall out and fall through those rails. So a couple of things, that you need in order to make it safe for you to evacuate on this building. But again, must be structurally sound, must be kept painted. But that has been done. So if there was a violation, the scraping of the violation was done in the painting, but not the structural. 100% of the structural on this fire escape is all original hardware. And this building is 50 to 75 years old and no evidence of any maintenance ever. So this fire escape is suspect structurally. Paint-wise, it passes. Structurally, it doesn't. If you have any questions on this or any other video, give us a call here at firescapeengineers.com, 866-649-0333. While I'm here, let's take a look at this exterior wood or steel fire escape. You can see evidence that the fire escape, or the wood fire escape, needs to be looked at also. So whenever you have any fire escape inspection, look at not only the fire escape itself, but if there's any other means of getting off. So these are considered means of egress and or fire escapes when you're looking at a building overall. Anything that's exterior, external, exposed to weather must be maintained. And that's what you have here. So several issues at this building, and one of them is structural. This fire escape has no evidence of any structural repair at all in this fire escape. If you want to see this and any other videos, go to our YouTube channel, Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training, and this and many other videos just like this are there to help you train on fire escapes, on how to write a violation as a fire inspector, building inspector, or housing inspector.